Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this one, I will be explaining to you guys how you can quickly level up pickpocketing. So let's get right into it. As you will notice, I am using screenshots since recording Skyrim gameplay. Even because I record these short form videos, I don't really do or demonstrate anything and to quickly upload these videos. So yeah, let's get right into it. First of all, pickpocketing, just like any skill, is upgraded by actually using it, which means you have to pickpocket people. And every time you want to pickpocket, when you crouch and actually select a person, which opens up the pickpocket menu, you will see a chance of what your chance of actually pickpocketing that item without detection is. Now, you can do that repeatedly. Higher or rather lower chances give more XP. So you can just pretty much save scum, which is save, if it doesn't work, load again and repeat until you get it right for low chance pickpockets, and you will be getting higher or more XP per pickpocket. However, the best method I know of is to actually find a pickpocket trainer. Viper the Fleet, I think, is the best one since he is a master trainer. You go to Riften, as you can see here on the minimap. Every one of you should know where Riften is. If you can't find it, just go to a carriage near Whiterun or whichever city. Fast travel to Riften, then you're going to want to go to the Cistern of the Ragged Flagon. You go here through the Thieves Guild quest, through the catacombs, the sewers, or whatever they are. Get here, join the actual Thieves Guild, and meet with Viper. He is the master trainer, and you can just pay him to level you up 5 levels per character level. And once you actually pay him, you can pickpocket that gold and get more XP. Just be careful that it's less than 1,000 gold, because then that's how it will work. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.